In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files with Smallpdf. If you've ever had multiple PDFs you needed to combine into one clean, shareable document, this quick process will save you time and keep everything organized. We'll move from opening the tool to uploading, arranging, and finally downloading your merged file with a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Smallpdf website, then select the Merge PDF tool. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a clear prompt to add files. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you'll use it often. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because merging happens online and you don't want the process interrupted. Next, upload or drag and drop your PDF files. You can click the Upload button to browse your computer and select multiple PDFs at once, or simply drag them from your desktop directly into the window. Keep the Browser tab open while the files upload, especially if they're large. If you're working with different versions of a document, consider renaming them on your computer beforehand so you can easily recognize each one here. Remember that the upload time depends on file size and connection speed, so give it a moment to finish transferring. Once your files appear as thumbnails, arrange them in the correct order. Click and drag each file to the exact spot you want in the final document, from first to last. Take a moment to double-check the sequence. This is where a quick review prevents mistakes later. If you spot a file that doesn't belong, remove it now and re-add the right one. Some interfaces also let you switch to a page-level view for a deeper check. If you see that option and need it, use it to confirm everything looks right. The key is to make sure the order reflects how you want readers to move through the PDF. When you're satisfied, click Merge PDF. The tool will process your files and create a single combined document. Wait for the confirmation screen, then click Download to save your merged file to your computer. Choose a clear name like Project Proposal Merged or Invoice Pack, and save it to a folder you'll remember. Finally, open the downloaded file to verify that every page appears in the correct order and quality. That's it. Simple, quick, and reliable. Use this same process anytime you need to bundle multiple PDFs into one polished file.